Hi, my name is Candace Cayenne, and I help women thrive and strive and gain abundance that they seek and deserve. And today I just wanted to hop on here really quick and talk about distractions. So, there's a lot of distractions going on, especially with what's going on in the media. I don't need to say the name of it and what's going on. And what that's doing to us is creating a lot of stress and a lot of havoc and tension within our body. And then later on, we end up getting sick. Because when you tense your body up, you're telling your body to prepare or brace for some type of impact, or that you're in like fight or flight mode, like you're ready to fight like for your life. And we don't realize that we're sending these messages out into the world when we're doing that. So number one, stop watching the news, period. Stop watching the media. It's just going to stress you out more. Your life will be more peaceful, more calm, if you just pretty much stop watching TV altogether, because it's just programming. It's just programming you how and conditioning you how to think a certain way. So if you want to break the patterns that you're in subconsciously and mentally, you definitely want to turn the TV off. So that's what I mean by distractions. The whole purpose of distracting you is to keep you from your purpose. So if you're focusing on certain television shows all day or what's going on in the media, that deflects and keeps you from going within, figuring out what it is that you want. And that's the thing. Have you ever sat down and really asked yourself, what do you want? That's the whole point. Even social media, you want to take a break from, because all you're doing, you got to remember, you're feeding the ego, and then you're also feeding into whatever you're searching or looking into. That's where all your energy is going, when you could be focusing that energy on your life goals or on your purpose. So I wanted to say, go ahead and stop letting the distractions get to you mentally. And if for some reason you're still having a tough time, take 15 minutes out of your day and just meditate. You'll start to see a difference in your mindset. And then after a while, none of the distractions will affect you, and it'll be to a point where you don't even want to entertain watching, the distractions. All right, so if you have any questions, go ahead and reach out at info@CandaceCayenne.com, or you can go ahead and send me a message or a comment below, and you can definitely go over the distractions that you deal with on a daily basis. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.